people working 9 to 5. This is for my people doing what they gotta do to survive. Living check for check with no spare change to spend. Feeling like the only way out is when the world ends, but still the world spins. We gotta live life, soldiers do fight. So can you tell me, do they have rights? We all grinding, trying to make a better living, but tend to always come short with the choices that we're given. It's for my college graduates with no career. Never give up, cause opportunities are always there. Until my single parents holding it down. Y'all deserving the world, cause raising a kid ain't as easy as it sounds. And to my people pursuing what they've been dreaming, anything is possible. How you pushing, you believe it yourself, and if you're feeling what I'm saying, put your hands up high, sing along to this song like whatever it is you want to achieve, don't wait for anybody to take the lead. Motivation is all you need, so take these words from all of us as inspiration. Keep pursuing your dreams and surpassing all the expectations. It's the movement. Oh yeah. Give it up for Proto J. Shout out to Proto J right here. Give it up to him. Shout out to N150, y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all, hey, we got a hey. That's right. Girl, come on over. See it right up in the night. She be texting me, yeah. Alright, come on over. I'm about to show you what I'm about to do. Hey, Jay, and I got something to say. Check it out. Hey girl, what you do, what you like? Can I get a little something from y'all tonight? Hey, I just gotta get to know ya. Checking that bottle of my bottle, babe. It's all up to you, girl. Sure that we can leave the club together and throw our deuces up like this. Hey, you shine and I shine forever. Tell you what, ain't nothing go wrong. Whoa, whoa. Hey, that's right. Girl, come on over. See it late up in the night. She be texting me, yeah. Alright, come on over. I'm about to show you what I'm about to do. Oh, hey.
Little time final.